Alright, so in this problem it says a car traveled at an average speed of 65 miles per hour for 4 hours and consumed fuel at a rate of 32 miles per gallon. If the price of gasoline was $2.79 per gallon, what was the cost of gasoline to the nearest cent for the 4-hour trip? Pause the video to solve it yourself and continue watching to see how I would solve it. Alright, so the first thing I would do to solve this problem is to find out how many total miles they traveled. So in order to do that, we would do 65 miles per hour times 4 hours. That would give us 260 miles. And next, we would do 260 miles, and it says at a rate of 32 miles per gallon. So in order to find out the number of gallons, we would do 260 divided by 32. And we're going to use our calculator here. So 260 divided by 32. And that's equal to 8.125. Alright, so that's the amount of gallons. And it says if the price of gasoline was $2.79 per gallon, what is the cost of gasoline to the nearest cent for the 4-hour trip? So we would do 8.125 times 279. So in our calculator, we would do 8.125 times 2.79. And that would give us 22.66875. So to the nearest cent, that would mean this number, we would round up here, so that would give us 22.67. So that should be the answer as choice A.